Hey Samsung fans! The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to pack a 200 megapixel camera and killer upgrades, dropping in 2026. Is this the ultimate flagship? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into these juicy leaks. A Weibo leak from tipster Fixed Focus Digital spilled the beans. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra could feature a massive 200 megapixel Sony CMOS sensor, set for an early 2026 launch. This phone's shaping up to be a beast. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's rumored 1 by 1.1 inch 200 megapixel Sony main camera sensor promises sharper, richer photos compared to the S25 Ultra's 200 megapixel shooter. Paired with the next-gen Pro Visual engine, it's a bold shift in Samsung's imaging game. Leaks also suggest a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, 12 megapixel 3x telephoto, and 50 megapixel 5x periscope sensor for epic zoom and versatility. Beyond the camera, the S26 Ultra's tipped to rock Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset, announced in September 2025, with 16 GB of RAM for blazing performance. Expect a 6.9-inch display with thinner bezels and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Launching alongside the S26 and S26 Edge, this flagship aims to dominate in 2026. The Galaxy S26 Ultra's 200 megapixel camera and powerhouse specs could set a new standard for flagship phones, pushing Samsung ahead in the camera wars. With a sleek design and cutting-edge tech, it's poised to outshine the S25 Ultra. Is this the phone to beat in 2026? The Galaxy S26 Ultra drops early next year, so stay tuned for more leaks. Will that 200 megapixel camera steal the show? What's your must-have feature? Drop it below. And that's the scoop on the Galaxy S26 Ultra's rumored 200 megapixel camera. Are you hyped for the photo upgrades or the Snapdragon power? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.